Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we will show you service life of the cutter knife and how to replace it. The cutter is composed of two parts, the end flying cutting knife and the left and right edge cutting knife. End flying cutting knife. If the end flying cutter is not sharp enough, there will be obvious burrs on the cut PS film. You can put the cutting knife on the polishing machine to deal with it. Normally, it does not need to be treated for 2 or 3 years. Left and right edge cutting knife. Installing the left and right edge cutting knife at the discharge outlet to cut off the excess edge film in advance will affect the discharge and horizontal and vertical roller pressure. Considering the performance of this machine, it is recommended to install the left and right edge cutting knife only after becoming proficient in operation. It is not recommended to install them in the initial stage, as the waste edges will affect work efficiency. You can see in the video that the location where the fingers point is where the left and right edge cutting knife installed. Next, please see the specific installation process. For more information on the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile. We will be happy to answer your questions.